Okay, class. Moving towards question number 1, part number 2. So we are doing chapter number 2, exercise 2.4, question number 1, part number 2. Your question is 2 into x power 5 into y power minus 4 into minus 8x power minus 3 y square, and we have to simplify this by using law of exponents. First of all, we will write 2 into minus 8 and then x power minus 5 y power minus 4 into x power minus 3 y square. The very easy question. I hope that you know what to do next. As they are getting multiplied with each other, so if the bases are same, you have to add the powers. Simply do it. Minus 8 into 2, it will be minus 16. Here we have x power 5 and here we have x power minus 3. Both bases are same, so their powers will get add. It would be 5 plus bracket minus 3, so it would be 5 minus 3, as plus minus is equal to minus 5 minus 3. Y minus 4, here we have y square, both are getting multiplied, both bases are same, so it would be minus 4 plus 2. So 5 minus 3 2 and minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Now getting this minus 2 into denominator, and it will be written like minus 16x square divided by y square. So this was a very easy question. Moving towards the next question, question number 1, part number 3. So your question number 1, part number 3 is x power minus 2 y power minus 1 z power minus 4 whole divided by x power 4 y power minus 3 z power 0 and whole power minus 3. Now student, what you have to do, you have to simplify the bracket first. How? Just by using law of exponents. Here we have x power minus 2, you will get this minus 2 into denominator. Why? Because in denominator we have greater power and we have positive power over there. So we should get the values towards the positive values. So for this it would be like x power minus 2, it will get into denominator. In quotient your power gets subtracted, so minus 2 will become plus 2 when it will go down. So it would be x power 4, this as it is, and when it will come in denominator it would be 4 plus 2. Similarly here we have z power minus 4, here we have z power 0. So you have to get this minus 4 because this is negative, and we have to do the question in such a way that the power would get positive. So in order to do that, this would be minus 4 will come in denominator and it will become 0 plus 4 z power 4. Similarly, if you talk about y, this is minus 1. When you get this minus 3 in numerator, it will become minus 1 plus 3 and it would be y square. So after doing this, you just have to multiply this minus 3 with all the powers like this, and then you have to multiply the powers. After multiplying with each other, just get the powers positive. How? Like here we have y power minus 6, just get this numerator into denominator, and here we have x power minus 18 and z power minus 12, get this numerator into denominator and its powers will get positive. So this is how we have to solve question number 1, part number 3. Moving next, question number 1, part number 4. Here we have 81 power n into 3 power 5 minus into 4 n power minus 22 into 243 whole divided by 9 square n into 3 power 3. Again you have to simplify this question just by using the law of exponent. This question is totally same as we have done the question number 1, part number 1, 2 and 3. Moving next, we have question number 2. This is the very most important question. Students, you have to focus towards this question very keenly and you have to understand the concept of this question. Again, this is very much similar with the question number 1, and again we have to use the law of exponents here, nothing else. So here we have x power a divided by x power b whole power a plus b into this and this and this, and that would be equal to 1. So basically we need to prove this statement as equal to 1. And how we have to prove this statement as equal to 1? Just look towards here. Here we have x power a divided by x power b. Bases are same and they are in quotient. What you have to do, if your bases are same and they have division sign in between, the power will be subtracted. Bases are same, so it will become x power a minus b into a power b, this one. In next, x power b minus c, as this denominator will get in numerator because the bases are same, so it will become b minus c whole power b plus c into similarly x power c minus a into c plus a as written over here. So that would be equal to, now this is a minus b into a plus b. Students, do you have a concept of a square minus b square? Here we have a formula. The formula is a square minus b square. Keep it in mind that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Basically this is a formula, and you have to learn by heart this formula, that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in this case, this is basically a minus b, a plus b. You can write a plus b into a minus b as this, and you can write this as this. So these are basically vice versa of each other. So it will become a square minus b square. This is b minus c and b plus c. So it will become b square minus c square. This is basically c minus a into c plus a. So it will become c square minus a square. Now in this step, what do you think what is done? I hope there is no confusion. The bases are same, x, x, x. The bases are getting multiplied with each other, so the powers will get add. So it would be x power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. And what it will become? Your negative a will be cancelled with positive a. Your minus b square will be cancelled with positive b square, and your minus c square will be cancelled with c square. So it will become x power 0. And I have told you before, and this is a law of exponent as well, that if you have any number or any variable that has power 0, that would always be equal to 1. So basically we have proved that left hand side is equal to 1. So this is, we have proved left hand side is equal to 1. Okay students, I am going to make one more video in order to solve question number 3, part number 3 and 4, as the part number 1 and 2 of question number 3 are same. So I am just going to let you know about question number 3, part number 3 and 4. Thank you.